Thank you very much, Honourable Minister. I now call upon the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture.
Honourable Chair, Madam Speaker, Honourable Cyril Ramaphosa, Honourable Deputy President Paul Mashatile. President, let me thank you for making sure that what our people were fighting for during the election, that it found expression in the plans of the GNU. There is now, we have the Sovereign Wealth Fund. We're speaking about the issue of minerals being exported, and most importantly, gang violence. You have listened to us, President, and I would have been a sellout if I was sitting outside. My people walked in the rain, they did door to door for the issues to be represented.
Take your seat. There's a point of order, Honourable Ndlozi.
I'd like to call a point of order, House Chair, because a government minister cannot deliberately mislead the House. There is no sovereign wealth fund in this country. You must withdraw. There's no such a thing. At this stage where you are, it's not those talks by the streets you are having. You must speak facts on behalf of a government. There's no sovereign wealth fund in this country. You must withdraw. Take us serious here.
Honourable Minister, can you please proceed?
Your peers, you always talk about education, Honourable Ndlozi. Your peers are delivering papers while you are ice boy here being sent around. Must not come to me. Don't tell me about education. I want to thank you, President. President, one man was calling me, one gentleman at the airport was calling me a racist. And I asked him, why are you saying I'm a racist? And he said, whenever you speak only about colored people, it's colored people. And I engaged him. And President, let me tell you, the issues of colored people has not been addressed yet. And I want you to be the first president, Honorable, to address the national question. All presidents were scared to address the national question. If you can address the national question, you shall be the first. I want to tell the GNU, what we have achieved is remarkable. It is the best thing that could have happened to this country. South Africa is going to go forward together. The ones that want to remain, let them remain. The GNU, we are going forward. And I will tell you a secret. The only reason why they call us sellouts, because they are not on the GNU train. They bought the wrong ticket. President, I want to tell you, I salute you, because what you have done, you have put South Africa first. We've had many differences between us. You put that aside and you say, my differences with McKenzie cannot stop me from taking a decision for the benefit of this country. And I want to salute you. I want to say to the Honorable Judge Slope, I want to say to Honorable Judge Slope, I'm sitting there and I'm shocked because you, Honorable Judge, have sent many of my old friends to jail with Roman Dutch law, which you enjoyed. While you were getting you talked about the blue lights. While you were getting the perks of the judge, being a judge, you never saw something wrong with blue light. You never saw something wrong with Roman Dutch law. Today, when you're no longer there, now you are seeing something wrong with Roman Dutch law. It cannot be. I'm going to pay for an appeal for everybody that has been sentenced by you, because you sentenced them with the wrong law according to you. Thank you very much, Honorable.
Order, honorable members, order. I now call upon the Minister of Correctional Services. Order, honorable members, order. Can you please take your seats, honorable members? Honorable Ndlozi, there's no speaker on the floor. What are you rising on?
Chairperson, there needs not be a speaker on the floor for me to raise an order. I hope we can agree on that. So I'd like...
You can proceed, honorable.
Thank you very much. The judge has written a thesis when he was on the bench, attacking Roman Dutch law.
Honorable Ndlozi.
Your illiteracy is not going to help us.
Can you please sit down?
This judge has written papers against Roman Dutch law when he was on the bench.
Can you take the...
You come here and you lie. You lie. This judge spoke about decolonization of the law from the bench. Don't lie here, man. Must read extensive, well-researched papers that are peer-reviewed. Yes, yes. And he didn't say anything about sports, about arts. He gets there.
Honorable,
what's going to happen about the arts?
Honorable members, can I bring it to the attention of the House? Members, please don't abuse your privilege or your right to raise the point of order. What we've just seen from Honorable Ndlozi is unbecoming, and therefore it will not be sustained in the House. Over to you, Honorable Minister.